Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion from March 24th to April 5th. From March 24th to 28th, we still have the split flow here across North America. And we have a trough here over the East Pacific, ridge here from Alaska down into the northern and central U.S., and we have a trough in the east. And the models are good agreement with this. You can see I'm going through the models briefly. And during this period, we will have a couple of waves that'll progress to the eastern U.S. and produce mainly rain. Next week, thunderstorms possible across the southern U.S. So we're going to look here. Here's one wave. And we're going to go progress to the 27th. And then we go forward in time. You're going to see another, here comes another one. Now this is the GFS. So you can see here, this is the area of rain and thunderstorms. Some of the rain could be locally heavy. Energy will move into the west and generate mountain snows and valley rains from the Great Basin and to the northern central Rockies, and we'll take a look at that. You can see here, here's the system moving in. And we look at the rest of the models. So okay, this is snow. And then we have rain moving into the plains. These are different models. This here is the European ensembles, European deterministics. And we have the GFS. A system will settle into the East Pacific during the first half of next week and will likely bring multiple surges of moisture to the west coast, extending into the favored terrains further inland over the northern and central part of the west. Then we're going to look at the period from March 27th to the 31st. You can see that the ridge is forecast. We have the eastern trough is forecast to lift out as the ridge builds in with rising heights, and we still have a trough here that moves into the western U.S. So we look at the models, you can see they're in good agreement. So for this forecast period, we're forecasting above normal temperatures for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here, and for the central portions of the plains into the northern mid-Atlantic, probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Now for the period from April 1st to the 5th, I'm on the wrong area. Okay, here we are at the 1st, and now the models are coming around to the European thinking of yesterday. The European was the only one showing us a trough in the west, above normal heights in the east. So now most of them, all the models are showing this in some degree or another, some stronger. Like this is the, which model is this? The GEFS shows stronger height anomalies over the east. So with that forecast in the models, I am forecasting near to temperatures will be either side of normal for much of the nation. Few degrees, mostly above normal here, below normal here, but overall maybe about 2 degrees above normal here, 2 degrees below normal here. So that's how that looks. And then for precipitation, below normal precipitation forecast for the west, probability of occurrence is 35%, and then we have above normal precipitation for this region here, probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion from March 24th to April 5th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.